Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you all how to watch the Netflix series and the movies in the HD, the high definition quality. If you have signed up to a high definition plan in the Netflix, you might have seen that when you start to play out the series or any sort of movies, sometimes it doesn't really play in the highest quality possible. Now, definitely it all depends upon your internet speed, but this is one thing that we can do, that whenever you play the Netflix series or movies, it should always start with the high definition quality possible. In order to do so, on your laptop or PC, just go to the Netflix website, which is netflix.com. Once you are in there, log in using your account and everything. After that, go to the top right corner where you will be able to see your profile. Click on that and then click on this option, account. When you click on account, another page will open up. Go to the bottom where you will be able to see profile and parental controls. In there, just select your profile. Go to the very last option where you will be able to see playback settings. Click on the change hyperlink, which is right next to playback settings. Another page will open up, and here you will be able to see data usage per screen. Normally it should be set to auto, but as we decided, we will click on the high option, as it says best video and audio quality up to 3 gigabytes per hour for HD, 7 gigabytes per hour for Ultra HD. Once you click on high, click on save, and it will take you to the same page again, and here it will say playback settings saved. Now when you try to play out any sort of series, episode or movie in the Netflix, if your internet is slow, it might buffer a bit, but if your internet is good enough, it will straight away start playing that movie or series in the HD quality possible. So that was all about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, do hit that like button. Also, if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing so that whenever the new videos are up, which are every single week, you would be getting notified about them. With that, I'm done with this video. Have a great day, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.